In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the countries that supports PayPal. Understanding which countries are supported by PayPal is essential for international transactions, whether you're sending money to family abroad, managing an e-commerce business, or simply exploring PayPal's global reach. The most reliable and up-to-date information always comes directly from PayPal's official website itself, and knowing exactly where to look is key to finding it efficiently and accurately. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. It's crucial to always ensure you are on the legitimate PayPal site to guarantee accuracy and security. Once the page loads, you'll likely see a variety of information, promotions, and quick links. The homepage is designed to cater to a wide audience, offering quick access to common functionalities like signing in or sending money. However, for specific details like a comprehensive list of supported countries, we need to delve a bit deeper into the site's structure. Your next action is to scroll down the entire page. As you scroll, pay close attention to the footer section, which is typically found at the very bottom of most websites. This area is a crucial source for administrative and legal information that isn't always prominently displayed at the top. You'll scroll past different PayPal services and perhaps testimonials, but keep going until you reach the very end. There, you'll find a collection of links, often grouped under headings like About, Help, Security, and the specific link we are looking for, Fees. Locate and click on the Fees link in the footer. While it might seem counterintuitive at first glance, the Fees section is where PayPal comprehensively outlines its pricing structures for various services. Crucially, it often includes or links directly to information about which countries are eligible for these services. Different countries have distinct regulatory environments and operational costs, which directly influence both fees and service availability. By clicking on Fees, you're stepping into the part of the website that deals with the practicalities of international money movement and geographical limitations. Once you are on the Fees page, you'll likely see categories such as personal payments, business payments, and withdrawals. Carefully browse this page for a link or a section that specifically mentions international fees, cross-border transactions, or supported countries/regions.